What's up guys, Relacionados from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to create this text gradient effects on your Canva for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to your new design on Canva, okay? You can create the design into the size that you wish. And all you have to do is enter with a text. It must be a text, so it can be a heading, a subheading, a title, all up to you and to your needs, okay? All you have to do now, let me make the title a little bigger, just to occupy the size of the page, and move it to the middle. Let me bold it to make it bigger. So all you have to do now is select the title or the text part that you wish. Let me just add a new one to combine the text. Well, I think here is okay. Well, so now what to do? It's just click on the text. For example, this one right here. Go to this little A that appears into the top bar. Call it text color. Now scroll down the left side of menus that appears, and you're gonna be able to select gradient colors. Okay. Let me place a better one. Maybe this one right here. And here is the result you got. And in the case that you want, you can click again, click into this plus button, add a new color, and you can change the gradient style and change the color of the gradient. For example, just like this. Fancy, right? And you can do the same with every single piece of text on Canva, okay? Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!